You are alone at home, over 60 years old, when suddenly you feel a strong pain in your chest. The sensation is overwhelming. Your heart feels like it's about to explode, and fear starts to take over. What do? Many people don't know that in the critical moments of a heart attack, every second counts, and acting quickly can save your life. In this video, you will discover 7 crucial tips to survive a heart attack alone after 60 years. It doesn't matter if you're alone right now. With these guidelines, you can greatly increase your chances of getting through this serious situation. Get ready, because this information can be the difference between life and death. Are you ready to learn how to act before it's too late? Imagine you have no one nearby to help, and the clock is ticking against you. Many people don't know that recognizing the first signs of a heart attack can be complicated, especially for those over 60. Chest pain, shortness of breath, cold sweat, and even discomfort in the arm or jaw are signs that cannot be ignored. Understanding these symptoms is the first step to surviving alone. In this video, we will help you identify these alerts and, more importantly, what to do next. Ready to save your life with real and immediate knowledge? Now, let's talk about a silent danger that few know. After 60 years, the body reacts differently, and the symptoms of a heart attack can be less evident. This causes many elderly people to ignore the signs, thinking it's just tiredness or indigestion. This false sense of security can be very costly. That's why understanding this change in the body is essential to act quickly. In this video, you will learn to recognize these variations and avoid letting delayed care turn a scare into a tragedy. When a heart attack begins, your reaction can define the fine line between life and death. The heart struggles to pump blood, and the body immediately feels the impact. But what many don't know is that alone, you can take measures that greatly increase your chances of survival. Deep breathing and controlling panic, positioning the body properly, and using simple techniques to relieve pressure are steps that save lives. In the next part, I will reveal the first of the 7 essential tips every elderly person needs to know to survive this emergency. Get ready. Tip 1. Recognize the onset of the heart attack quickly. Many elderly confuse the first signs with less serious symptoms, like indigestion or tiredness. However, feeling pain or pressure in the chest, cold sweat, nausea, and discomfort in the left arm are red flags. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't hesitate. Sit down, relax, and prepare to act. Knowing the exact moment can save your life and prevent greater damage to the heart. Tip 2. Call emergency services immediately. Even if the pain seems bearable, time is your greatest enemy. Delay can cause irreversible damage to the heart muscle. If you're alone, use the phone to call for help without hesitation. If you can't speak, try sending a message or alerting a neighbor. Every minute counts. Don't wait for symptoms to worsen before acting. Quick response can be the difference between life and death. Tip 3. Take aspirin if possible, and if you have no contraindications. Aspirin helps thin the blood, facilitating circulation and reducing the damage caused by the attack. Always have a pill accessible, especially if you have a cardiac history. But be careful. Consult your doctor about the correct use to avoid complications. If you don't have aspirin, don't panic. The other tips are just as important for your survival. Tip 4. Stay calm and control your breathing. Panic can worsen symptoms and increase pressure on the heart. Breathe deeply and slowly, focusing on keeping your mind calm. Simple breathing techniques help oxygenate the body and give your heart a better chance to hold on until help arrives. Remember, controlling fear is as vital as recognizing symptoms. Tip 5. Position yourself to relieve pressure on the heart. Sitting with your torso slightly leaning forward, supported by something sturdy, can help reduce the heart's effort. Avoid lying down completely, as this can make breathing and blood circulation harder. This simple but strategic position helps keep the body stable and relieves some discomfort until help arrives. Tip 6. Avoid physical exertion and sudden movements. Even if you feel like standing or walking, this can worsen the situation by increasing the heart's oxygen demand and accelerating damage. Stay as still as possible, conserve energy, and wait for medical help. Every unnecessary movement can reduce your survival chances, so patience and self-control are crucial. Tip 7. Use the phone to communicate and inform your condition. Stay in constant contact with emergency services, answer their questions, and follow the instructions given. This helps professionals prepare to attend you quickly and efficiently. If possible, inform them about your medications, allergies, and pre-existing conditions to speed up care when they arrive. Communication is a powerful weapon in your fight for life. Now that you know the 7 crucial tips to survive a heart attack alone after 60 years, it's essential to understand the real consequences of not acting quickly. Delay in care can cause irreversible heart damage, compromising your quality of life and increasing the risk of death. Many elderly lose valuable opportunities due to ignorance of these guidelines. Don't be one of them. Acting with knowledge and calmness is the difference between a tragic end and a second chance. Studies show that elderly who quickly recognize symptoms and act according to these tips have much higher chances of survival and recovery. It's not just about acting fast, but acting with knowledge. Your body, your life, and your family depend on it. Our channel exists to bring this vital information that can save lives, and you've already taken the first step by watching this far. Keep learning and preparing. Now that you know the 7 crucial tips to survive a heart attack alone after 60 years, don't keep this knowledge just for yourself. Share this video with family and friends, especially those in the golden years. Share your experience in the comments. It might help others. Subscribe to the Men's Health Codes channel to receive more content that can save lives and strengthen your health. Remember, information is power, and acting quickly can be the difference between life and death. Take care of yourself and those you love.